The Signature Collection sculpture is 100% handcrafted using a 1:28 scale car model as reference. It is molded and shaped by eye, while measurement equipment is used to ensure the correct proportions. The 6 production stages take approximately 100 man-hours to complete. Each stage includes making a new silicone mold for casting the next stage. Clay, plaster of Paris, soft resin, and resin mixed with aluminium powder are used in the manufacturing process. The final sculpture is cast using resin mixed with zinc powder to give it a weight of 1.2 kilograms. The paint color and process is similar to that used on the original car and finished off with a thick layer of clear lacquer, ensuring a lustrous, durable finish. Depending on the client's requirements, each sculpture is crafted as a one-of-one edition, after which the master mold is destroyed. Every sculpture is signed by the artist and numbered as a limited edition. The weight of the model, combined with a smooth glossy finish, ensures a tactile experience. This bespoke, handcrafted, limited edition sculpture will add to the unique identity of your car collection.